Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stories not showing on the application of Facebook. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Facebook. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.